gonna be ran over.
Hey guys, so today we are here and we are building a pad, so we wanted to show you guys how to do it. We're getting ready for some transitions as a family, so yeah, take a look.
This is the process of getting gravel. I think they got gravel right there, so my dad can go in there, so it's not that soft.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Oh, I'm working. Look at my rake. It's crooked.
Wow.
Did you like that?
There's a little hole here. Here comes Dad.
Uh-oh, watch out. Watch out, Papa.
He's coming. Dump it in there.
So this is the pad that we're building. The little mini skid steer we rented, the little bucket, and just back and forth, loading it onto the pad that we're building. This part here, you see, tried to load it some in a wheelbarrow. No, that didn't work out. Gotta hand it to the girls, they did a pretty good job. So this is quite a long process. It took us all day. We moved 36 yards of 3/4 minus gravel to make this pad. It's quite a bit of rock to move, especially with that little tiny skid steer. And here comes the 42-foot behemoth that's going on that pad. That's got to back down the driveway. Barely missed that fence, barely missed the mailbox. And down from there. So backing down the driveway. I mean, we figured this was going to be the easiest way, is to back it down. get it as close to the edge on the other side there, and it was perfect. Got it right on there. Big shout out right there to this guy, Jeff from Guarantee RV down in Junction City, Oregon. This guy is awesome. He got it in there no problem. Did an excellent job. Took maybe 20 minutes to get it there. But big shout out to Jeff there at Guarantee RV in Junction City.
All right, well, we are completed. The trailer has been put in its spot. We moved a lot of gravel and our muscles are a little sore, but overall we're in a good spot now. So now the next step. Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again. Thanks.